Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI tool. Here you can go and type Agent Opus Pro. This one is the website. You can open it. You can create short videos, long videos. You can also use it to generate different type of images. Okay, this one is the tool. Now first of all you need to create a free account. Click here, this one, login, and then continue with Google. Then select your Gmail account. Then click continue button. Now account is ready. Here you can see these are the couple of options. You can create a video from the script, from the prompt. You can also create the video from the song, audio to video, assets to ads. So you can create different type of ads, motion graphics. So after that, here you can select the AI model. Then you can select the video aspect ratio. So this one is for the short video, this one is for the long video. Let me select this one, and also it will add the audio file. It will also ask you select the style, so you can see different styles. Let me select this one. After that you can add different type of assets. Then after that you can select the audio. Now let me type here, create a video for flying taxi. After that press this button. You can also use ChatGPT to create the prompts. Now here you can see a couple of options. You can select these. Now it has started working on it. And it will ask you select different options. Here you can see explainer video, add video, story. So let me select this one. So you need to select the time. Let me select this one, 30 seconds. Some of the AI tools not add the audio in the video, but this tool is very useful. It will create the audio also. So let me select this one. Now simply you need to click here to create a video. Now here you can see it is generating the video. So let's wait.
Instead of a runway.
So this one is 30-second video. That looks fine.